three main adhkar, supplications, morning, evening, before sleeping.
Okay.
When you entering the home, this is very important. When you entering the home, right foot and the dua, Bismillah walajna wa Bismillah kharajna wa ala Allahi rabbina tawakkalna. After that, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is very important. If you don't memorize this dua, you can say Bismillah, right foot and Bismillah until memorize this dua or put sticker on the door. After that, Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh. This is we must to read.
Even nobody in the house? Assalamu alaikum.
If there is no anyone.
Okay.
Because if you don't read this, what will happen? The shayateen outside, they will come with you. What will happen after the shayateen? What will happen? Bad mood at your home. Fighting between wife and husband, if there is wife and husband. Bad relationship between the members of the family. Bad sleep, nightmares, sometimes something attack you in the sleep. There is no peace, tranquility and happiness. There is no barakah in wealth and health and time. This is why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned this in the Quran many times. Focus in this. When I ask why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala many times mentioned this in the Quran. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in Surah An-Nur, فَإِذَا دَخَلْتُمْ بُيُوتًا, if you enter any house, فَسَلِّمُوا عَلَىٰ أَنفُسِكُمْ, you have to make salam for yourself. تحية من عند الله. This is greeting from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. مباركة طيبة. If you want barakah in wealth and health and time, a good life, happiness, you have to make this. Otherwise, this is the problem.